Dear students, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. So never give up. In our part 1 and 2 tutorials, we learned about the coordinating and correlating conjunctions. In this tutorial, we will learn about what are subordinating conjunctions and how we can use them in our daily life and in our sentences. So, subordinating conjunctions are the words used to connect groups of words to statements, one of which is dependent on the other. It means we are going to connect a principal clause and a subordinate clause while using these conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions introducing noun clauses are that, if, whether. Look at these examples. Saina said that she was attending the party. Bina asked me if I had deposited the money. Mother enquired whether I called for the doctor. The conjunctions that are used to join adverb clause of manner are as if, as. It appeared as if he was sick. They behaved as they have been caught. Here he was sick and they have been caught are principal clauses. It appeared and they behaved are examples of subordinate clauses. The subordinate conjunctions that we usually use to join adverb clauses of place are where and wherever. For example, I'm standing where I can see him coming. I plant trees wherever I find suitable place. How can time is indicated while using these conjunctions? Let's learn about them. When, you should not talk when I am teaching in class. After, I will play with you after I prepare the lunch. Since, I have been very busy since I started my new job. Till, she waited for me till I picked her up. The subordinate conjunctions that are used to join adverb clause of time are until, while, as soon as. Let's learn about them through these examples. My younger brother does not study until I sit with him. While I have my lunch, you can do the packing. As soon as the boys came in, the noise began. Subordinate conjunctions are also used to tell about the adverb clause of cause. These conjunctions are since, because, as. You will lead all the boys since you are oldest of all. We were very disappointed because we lost the match. We all decided to relax as we were tired. So that and such that are the conjunctions that are used to join adverb clause of effect. Let's learn about them. Her project was so amazing that everyone liked it. The play was such a hit that it got much popularity. Dear students, here are the few conjunctions that are used to connect the purpose of an action. First is so that. I will go by car so that I can take more luggage. Lest. I feared lest I should be late again. The subordinate conjunctions that are used to show condition are unless and if. Look at the examples. He will not trust you unless you prove yourself. If you brush and floss every day, you probably won't get cavities. The subordinate conjunctions used to show contrast are although, though, even if. Although, although it rained a lot, we have still enjoyed our holiday. How can we use though to show contrast? Mary is a great friend, though we don't see each other often. Even if I feel tired, even if I go to bed early. Dear students, the best way to learn conjunctions is to use them in your daily conversation. Thank you. Have a nice day.